This morning I woke up and the first thing I need to do is to go to two banks in Nigeria. The first bank is Zenith Bank and the second one is First Bank. And you guys know, anything will make you don't enter Nigerian bank, you need to sit down for some hours, especially when you want to go see customer care. Anyways, backstory. So I went to the bank yesterday to do transfer to be precise, and the transfer didn't pull through. This is the annoying part. I never knew that the transfer didn't pull through until middle of night. People were calling me, I never received, I'm waiting, they happen now. And then I waited till this morning, no way, and I decided to go. So this is me in Zenith Bank and I have to walk straight inside, pass security post, and also enter the glass through door so that I can be able to pass through. When I know say na for only bank, now even poor man go at as even they reach, so that at least everybody go respect am abi. So jejely, this is me entering, and I have to start telling myself that, girl, you are going to stay here. Oh, to God be the glory. When I entered, oh my God, Zenith Bank were so calm to attend to me, and they said, oh madam, we are so sorry, especially because I dress like madam. The next thing you need to do for yourself is, if they go back, make sure say you dress like madam so that they go respect you well. I have to fill the form, initiate another transaction so that everything will be good. And finally they said everything is okay. Then I moved straight to where their water is. I said make I condemn their water first. I drank 2 cups of their water and I say it's time for me to move. Right now I am moving to the only bank if you say only then we get customers for this life, and they go make sure say they keep you there. Anyways, why I love Nigerian bank be say most of the banks then they close to their self, so especially in Port Harcourt, the way they take arrange them, I like them. So going to First Bank, I have to stop a bus, and then I get inside the bus and I started moving to First Bank. Here am I thinking of my life. I said, God, make a way where there is no way, please. I went there. The first day I was there, no fee me, no fee me, no. I said, I beg, I don't hear, I beg, no fee me. So that's why I did not feel more. So right now I am to go to N.T.A, Nigerian Television Authority. Who they? And this is my first time of going there, so I have to call my husband to ask for direction. So he told me take a cab to Rumola, and then from Rumola you get all this cab that is going to like Choba and Boba N.T.A then, and then you can just get. And I said, okay, who am I? So this is me entering all the whole cabs, and finally I don't reach, have to pay the driver, and then I got my change back. And then this is the most beautiful N.T.A station, guys, Nigerian Television Authority. So after every finish what I'm going to do there, I said, okay, let me do some lashes extensions so that your baby girl is gonna look pink. And I have this guy that I know that the guy is really good when it comes to my lashes and my nails, so I just have to go there straight. And this is when he's done with this other eye, and then he's moving to the other eye. I told him I want something that is very short, very short, but he said no, that I should at least take this length, that this length is not too bad, so I have to go with this length. Okay, after that he said I should hold on a bit so that the glue will at least stick very well to the face before he's going to press it, so that I can be able to go to my house. And this is me showing you guys the nails I did 3 days ago without showing you guys. Oh, I love this black color. I told him, guys, please Oga, make we just do this thing because I need to get to the house and then start making dinner. So this is him pressing it to make sure that everything is intact. And I was like, oops, your baby girl is as a vlogger now, sure you're going to look at yourself in the mirror. And then I look at myself at the mirror, I was like, okay, this is okay. So I said, as a mom and as a wife, it is not good to go home empty handed. Oh yeah, let's buy corn and buy mango. At least I tried. After all, why I go get picking for house and I will go house empty hand, I come out empty hand and I still go back empty hand? Who does that? So I bought corn and I bought mango. This mangoes goes for 500 naira, guys. Can you imagine? I say after I don't finish, make I carry myself, go put inside bus, we go take me back to my house. But before I enter inside bus, I will have to enter inside keke first. So this is me in the keke, and I was showing you guys that, oh God, I'm tired. And after that, I just drive safe and sound to my house. Who day? Anyways, if you've not follow, like, comment, and share. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe, comment.